If you are also facing no internet problem in Capcut, then this video is for you. At the end video your problem will be fixed. I am Jugar Expert. I upload this type of helpful videos related to video editing software, so without wasting time let's fix this issue. Why this problem occurs? Well, it can be due to several reasons such as internet issues, outdated version of Capcut, or the region which you are using Capcut. Let's try all these solutions. First let's update Capcut. As you know that Capcut recently released new version, due to which previous versions show some error, this might be the major reason. So after updating you can see everything for me is working perfectly fine. All templates and effects are properly loading and working without no internet error. I can use them in my video and do editing as I want. If you are still facing the problem then, turn off and then turn on your device internet. Sometime doing this fix the problem. Lastly, as most of the videos on YouTube say, using VPN can fix no internet problem in Capcut. You can download VPN and then run Capcut app. Hope so these three methods will 100% work and help you. You can use Super VPN as it is free to use and its speed is also good. Hope this video will be helpful. Like, share and subscribe to Jugar Expert for more videos. If you have any question let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.